Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today is giveaway day. Today we are celebrating Emerald and Diamond's birthday. They are 5 years old today, so happy birthday to the gems. And in honor of them, I will be doing a yarn giveaway today. The first yarn is the Impeccable yarn by Loops and Threads. The color is Luxury. It's 192 yards, 3.5 ounces. It is a 4 medium weight yarn and it is 100% acrylic. The next yarn is Scarfie by Lion brand. The color is cream and taupe. It is 312 yards, 5.3 ounces. It is a 5 bulky weight. It is 78% acrylic and 22% wool. The next one is Stonewash by I Love This Yarn Super Soft. The color is mint lace. It is really more of a blue if you ask me, but maybe it is more of like a minty color. It is 252 yards, 5 ounces. It is a 4 medium weight yarn and it is 100% acrylic. And the next yarn is Charisma by Loops and Threads. The color is ultraviolet. It is an awesome looking purple. It is 109 yards, 3.5 ounces. It is a 5 bulky and it is 100% acrylic. Next we have Fireplace Comfort by Yarn Bee. The color is Ivy Grown. The yardage is 229 yards. It is 5.3 ounces. It is a 4 medium weight. If you ask me, it's a little closer to a 5, but it is listed as a 4 medium weight. It is 70% acrylic and 30% wool. I kind of compare it to the Scarfie by Lion brand, but it is a very nice yarn, but I don't really believe that it's quite a 4 medium. The next one is Basic Stitch by Lion brand. I really do enjoy this yarn. I just started using it probably a couple months ago, and I wasn't too sure about it because usually for an anti-pilling I use Premier, but I really do like this Basic Stitch. So this one is the color gray and white. It is 157 yards, 3 ounces. It is a 4 medium weight yarn and it is 100% acrylic. And how can you have a birthday without a cupcake? So here is the Lion brand cupcake. The color of it is Street Lights. It is 590 yards, 5.3 ounces. It is listed as a 3 lightweight yarn. It's a little closer to 4, but we'll go with the 3 light. It is 100% acrylic. Alright, on to the rules and how do you win. So this giveaway is going to be open worldwide, but I am going to put a little caveat on that since I am in a stay-at-home order because of the state that I live in, that if you do win and it is international, you can wait a little longer to get your yarn until I can get out to the post office, or we can work something out maybe with a gift card or something. But the giveaway is open worldwide to the countries that will accept this type of mailing. It is void where prohibited. Any duties, taxes, and fees are the responsibility of the winner. You must be 18 years or older to win. This giveaway is not affiliated with any company or YouTube. This is all yarn that I purchased on my own. The entries that do not comply with the YouTube community guidelines will be disqualified. And also the giveaway will be open until next Saturday, which is April 25th. About noon, I will be selecting a winner. That's Eastern Standard Time. So to enter, you need to be a subscriber to Epic Yarn Gems. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, I'm going to do something a little different. In the comments, I want you to use the word birthday or just write the word birthday in the comments, because when I do the generator for the random comment selector for the winner, I am going to use that filter that they have on the word birthday. So that's going to be something I'm going to give a try and hopefully it works out. So happy birthday to the gems, being 5 years old. And as always, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to share the video, and peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.